I've known Zen since we were in high school, and even back then, she was a natural leader. She was the person that people naturally rely on during projects, during activities, because she loves planning things and she has an eye for detail and she think everything through. She's a classic perfectionist and she's really thoughtful. And one thing I deeply admire about her is she will do the hard things, even when she's scared, even when she's uncomfortable, even when she doesn't think she can do it. Especially if there are people relying on her, she will power through and get things done. The other thing I really admire about her is that she has a very kind heart and she will always try to do the right things.
Hi, si Angelo, bunso mong kapatid. And thank you Ate Hana sa pagiging blessing sa akin at sa amin, sa pamilya mo, sa mga bata. And ayun, continue to be a blessing, stay safe, ingat ka palagi. Peace!
Kuya, congratulations, you've gone a long way. Bata ka pa lang, nakikita ko na yan. And alam mo naman na lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo yan. Hindi ko na pahabain to. Thank you sa mga tulong mo sa amin ng mga kapatid mo. Always, huwag kang magbabago. And we love you so much. I love you na. Namimiss ka na namin.
Hello Kuya, congratulations. We are so proud of you. We love you. Ingat kayo palagi. Babush.
Kevin, anak, congratulations. Kahit hindi ka masyadong nagkikwento sa akin, alam ko, ramdam ko maganda yung nangyayari sa karir mo. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan. Magtulungan kayo mag-asawa ni Melanie. Stay humble. Be good. Palagi magpe-pray at humingi ng guidance kay Lord. We are so proud of you. We love you. God bless you more. Always share your blessings para mas lalo pa siyang dumami. Congrats anak. Salute.
Hello nak, kumusta? Mag-ingat ka sa trabaho mo. Palagi, love you nak. Mag-amping ka. Amping ka sa biyahe mo. Love you.
Hey Tail Kurt, just wanted to say thank you. I really appreciate all the support and guidance you've given me. It's made a huge difference. So yeah, just a quick shout out to say thanks for being awesome. Looking forward to what's next.
Hi TL, kumusta? Musta yung TL kung maganda? By the way, thank you so much sa lahat ng support, lahat ng effort na binibigay mo sa amin, especially for me. I totally appreciate that. I hope you always stay humble and of course, always stay pretty. Okay? So, kahit ang daming challenges or ang daming tasks na dapat gawin, laban lang, okay? Chill lang tayo mga mommies. Again, please stay humble and God bless. Thank you. Take care.
Hi Tiral, I'm so grateful na ikaw yung naging team leader ko. At the same time, thank you din sa lahat ng pag-guide sa akin. Sa lahat ng mga studios ko, magkasama tayo for like 2 years na. And masaya kausap, masaya kasama kahit na magkalayo yung edad natin. Ingat.
Hi na. Thank you for always helping me out. Thank you for being good to your siblings. Thank you for always being thoughtful. Thank you for being so generous to us. I love you.
Hi Mommy Joy, just want to take a moment to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. You were the very first person who welcomed me into the VS family. And from the moment of our interview, you already made me feel like I truly belong. You've always been there to guide me, especially in our client in Hunter Valley. You consistently checking on me, asking how I'm feeling, and you always leave messages that give me the courage and motivation to keep doing my best. Thank you for being one of my mentors, for sharing your knowledge, and for guiding me not just with tasks, but with wisdom that helps me grow in this field. You're an incredible woman, strong and genuinely caring. Mommy Joy, you're truly a gem in this company. We appreciate you more than words can express. Thank you, Mommy Joy.
Hi there. I know you're surprised, but Joyce asked me to do this weeks ago. So here I am. Just wanted to leave a simple message and say thank you also for the friendship for almost 10 years. I think it's been a decade now. You will always be my maldita daughter with a kind heart. That's probably why we click so well. But I just wanted to say that I'm always and will forever be proud of you. You always tell me that you've learned so much from me, and I will forever treasure that. Just know that I'll always be here for you, no matter what ride or die style we need to go through. I will always be here. You will always be one of my life's greatest achievements. Keep going, Be. Keep growing. And as I always say, please be careful with your life decisions. Whenever we talked about life, but always remember that I will be here forever, and I will always be proud of what you've become. I love you, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Hi, Mommy. Thank you for loving me and taking care of me and cooking me food and helping me with my assignments even when you don't have time, and buying me the stuff I want, and love you.
Good evening, everyone. So I've been told by Joyce to make this video for Joven. So first of all, my name is Justin. I'm the elder brother of Joven. So he's my brother. He is a very loving and caring brother. He's very straightforward, yet but simple. He can cook, but he's not so good with the household things. And he's also my financial advisor. And he taught me a lot of things about financial literacy. That's why I'm very grateful to have him by my side. He has a lot of goals on his life. Some of his goals he's already achieved. Just recently he had his business, pastry and coffee shop. My message to him is thank you so much for being there to our parents, to Mama and Papa. You always be there. You're always there for them. Thank you also for being uncle to my son. He used to take care of my son as well. My message for you, I wish you all the best. All success for your life with your career. And that's all. I'll see you soon. I love you, bro.
Hi guys, by the way, my name is Aki. I'm the husband of Joyce. My message to my wife is very simple. Let's make it quick, okay? Hindi ko na masyadong pahahabain. Tagalogin na rin natin para mas mabilis maintindihan. Mami, I love you. Sobra. Alam mo yan. Hindi ko na kailangan ipaliwanag sa'yo. Hindi ko na kailangan ulit-uliting sabihin sa'yo. Kasi alam ko na alam mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Okay? Mahal na mahal ko kayo ng mga bata. Lalo-lalo na yung paborito mong anak na si Kulot. Namimiss ko lagi. Pero wag mo nang pilitin na ako mag-aalaga. Pagod na ako sa trabaho eh. Pero syempre, mahal na mahal ko yun. Kaya gagawin ko yung lahat para sa inyo. Pangalawa, nagpapasalamat ako kasi kahit na marami tayong pinagdadaanan, nandiyan ka pa rin, gumagawa ng paraan, doing your best para ma-overcome natin yung mga problema na to. Pero alam ko na mahal tayo ng Panginoon at hindi niya tayo pinababayaan, lalo na sa mga pangangailangan natin. Sana tatagan mo pa kasi alam ko na hindi niya hahayaan na masira yung pamilya natin. Sobrang mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita. Sana gawin mo pa yung best mo sa trabaho kasi alam ko nag-e-enjoy ka dyan, masaya ka sa ginagawa mo sa buhay. So sana ma-motivate ka pa ng todo kasi I know na ginagawa mo to para sa mga goals natin, sa mga future plans natin. So, go lang. Wag kang susuko. Andito ako lagi. Ano man ang mangyari, kahit anong pagod, kahit anong hirap, haharapin ko para sa atin. Hindi ko kayo papabayaan. Pasensya na kung marami man akong naging pagkukulang recently. Alam mo yan kung para saan naman yung purpose ng ginagawa ko. Kaya umayak. Pero sobrang salamat. Salamat sa lahat. Mahal ko kayo. Pangit pag umiyak eh, sorry ha. Wala na kayo bang masabi. Ginawa mo na lahat at ginagawa mo pa rin lahat para sa amin. Salamat. Love you always. Yun lang.
Yo, bro Gab. I just want to say thank you for always giving me tips and tricks, especially in videography and editing skills. Thanks, Gab.
Hi, love. I just want to say I appreciate all the effort you put in everything you do, how much you work, how much you take care of me, and how deeply you love me. Wala na talaga akong hahanapin pang iba. I'm so grateful to have you in my life, and I love you even more than words can ever say.
Hello, Kim! Thank you sa lahat. Dahil sa'yo marami ako natutunan sa bagay-bagay, and naging mas mabuting tao ako mula nung makasama kita. Sana patuloy na magkaroon ka ng maraming blessings from the Lord. Kasi napaka hard worker mo and matulungin sa ibang tao. I wish you a longer and happier life. And love you! Bye-bye!
Hey boss, it's me, Hannah. And I'm recording this video just a few days before we see each other again. And I just want to say thank you so much for the trust and for the opportunity that you provided me and for the rest of the Virtual Spotter. Maybe you haven't realized it yet, but you guys changed our lives in a way we never imagined before. And I'm very grateful for your life because I know that I always have another family out there. And I know that you guys always have my back. And I'm very grateful for that. You're like a father to me. I don't know, but I think that's the same for some of the Virtual Spotters here. And I always pray that you and the Virtual Spotter will have more clients, will have more blessings because you guys deserve it. You guys deserve all the blessings because you yourself is a huge blessing to all of us. So let's enjoy the night, boss. Let's enjoy the party, and I do hope one day it will be our turn to visit you in Australia. Thank you so much, boss, and you know we love you, right? Thanks, boss. Have a great day. Bye.
Finding a job you actually like is already a miracle, but finding one where your boss pushes you, trusts you to do your thing, gives you freedom, and still holds you accountable, that's not rare, it's legendary. I want to thank you, boss, for giving sa pagtitiwala.
Hi! I'm not actually sure why I'm doing this message, but it's a requirement from Joyce. So here I am. So I just want to thank our amazing boss, Ha. So boss, as you know, I am always thankful that you are our boss. We are very grateful that we have a boss like you, always listens to us, help us, and then appreciates all our efforts. So I just want you to know that we all see the hard work that you and Boss Courtney are doing to grow this business and to help all our VAs, and I hope that we can grow this business further so we can help more VAs and we can have more Filipino VAs soon or in the future. So I just also want you to know that even though we're not talking that much anymore, just like what we're doing before, but I just want you to know that we appreciate all the things that you're doing for VS and for the whole community, on our community. So that's it. I'm just hoping that you're gonna enjoy your stay here in the Philippines again. So this is the time of the year that all of us are gonna have fun. We will meet our VAs and then all the team leaders and then all part of VS. So that's just it. Thank you so much, boss, and maraming salamat.